Long before written history, before kings, nations, or borders, humans were already drawn to a single metal, gold. It shimmered like the sun. It resisted decay. And unlike anything else, it seemed eternal. Across continents and civilizations, people who never met, never spoke the same language, all agreed on one thing. Gold had value. But today, the world runs on paper and digital numbers. So how did humanity abandon the one thing that never failed? This is the long journey of gold, and the silent rise of the dollar. In ancient Egypt, gold was not money, it was divine. They believed it was the flesh of the gods. Pharaohs wrapped themselves in gold, hoping it would grant immortality. Temples glittered with it. Tombs overflowed with it. In ancient India, gold symbolized purity and cosmic balance. In China, it represented harmony and prosperity. Gold wasn't just wealth. It was sacred. So why gold? It didn't rust. It didn't rot. It could be melted, divided, and shaped endlessly. Unlike grain or cattle, gold survived time. That made it perfect. And slowly, gold transformed from sacred object into something far more powerful: money. Around 600 BCE, in the kingdom of Lydia, something revolutionary happened. Gold was stamped into coins. For the first time, value became portable. Trade exploded. Empires expanded. From Rome to Persia, from Greece to China, gold became the backbone of power. But gold also revealed a dangerous truth. Empires could lie about it. Rome ran out of gold, so they diluted their coins with cheaper metals. People noticed. Trust collapsed. Spain looted gold from the Americas. Too much gold entered Europe. Prices soared. Inflation followed. Gold didn't prevent collapse. It exposed it. The gold standard promise. By the 1800s, nations needed order. The gold standard was born. Paper money became claims, not value itself. Every note promised gold behind it. Money had discipline. Governments had limits. For a moment, the world believed it found balance. Then came global war. World War I shattered discipline. Gold couldn't fund destruction fast enough. Governments printed money anyway. Trust cracked again. After World War II, the world gathered at Bretton Woods. The dollar rose. Other currencies followed it. Gold followed the dollar. Power shifted from metal to influence. By 1971, America faced a choice: admit failure or change the rules. President Nixon ended the gold standard. money was freed from metal. For the first time ever, currency was backed only by belief. Today, money is created digitally. Trillions appear with keystrokes. Yet when fear rises, when inflation strikes, when trust fades, gold returns. Gold lost its crown, but not its memory, because trust is fragile and history repeats itself. This was the history of gold. Welcome to Echoes of the Past.